I'm gonna have to turn the camera around so y'all can see what your boy about to, you know what, no, forget all that, right? Forget all that. So y'all check this out. You want a hair on your chest. This goes, right? Jalapenos. With Cholula. On your fruit salad. Alright? So I'm gonna tell you about this video. This specific one. Why I'm making this one. First of all, so I'm a trucker, right? I'm a trucker in the great state of Texas. I travel all around the country. I'm also a YouTuber, right? And you know, I'm not the level as the man I'm about to talk about is at, but I'm trying to get there, right? But I was also a baller, right? Just like I post, I also watch a lot of YouTube videos. And I just feel like whooping ass. Like I want to whoop somebody's ass. So I figured I'd start with the easiest nigga on YouTube whose ass I can beat any day of the week. I mean, I can literally beat these boys' ass in basketball. Go take a lot swimming. Go jogging, run a marathon, come back and whoop his ass again, okay? Y'all might not know who it is. But I do mess with that cotton mouth. I'm gonna let you know that right now, man. So I ain't hating, I'm a fan, you know what I'm saying? I'm a fan. I'm talking about the one and only DDG. I wanna challenge you, DDG, to 1-on-1. 5 piece, so $5,000 for the game. First to 12, or win by 2, it don't matter, right? Or first to 15, win by 2, it don't matter. 1-on-1, me and you, DDG. I will fly to Cali from Texas, man. I will fly to Cali to go play you for that $5,000. It ain't nothing to your mind, it's all right. You know what I'm saying? But I got it, and I know you got it. I'm coming for everybody, man. Look, all these so-called ballers, YouTubers, man. I'm a fat kid. I'm a trucker. I know I said that, right? I'm a trucker. But DDG, you the easiest one out there, man. you the easiest one. Another thing, since Riri like dark skin, I'ma whoop your ass, take your money, and I'ma take on a date. You're gonna see this video. But if you don't see it, don't worry, there's gonna be more coming. I say it again. DDG. I challenge you on a 1-on-1. Wherever you like, you can come to Texas, I fly to Cali. We're gonna play for 5 piece. $5,000, in case nobody know what that is. First to 15, first to 10, first to 11, it does not matter. So what you got to say, man? I'm coming for all the YouTubers out there, man. The only one I ain't coming for is the professor, because I can't mess with the professor. That man is a freaking god, and man, yeah, no, respect to the professor. But DDG, you the easiest work out there. You the easiest. So let the fat kid come, take your money, and I'm gonna take Riri on a date. Because if she like the baby, man, just because it's a dark skin, imagine what she's gonna do. You know what I'm saying? You can run, bro. You can run, but you can't hide. I'm coming for that money, and I'm coming for your ass. All right. Oh, P.S. I was in Pontiac, Michigan the other day, boy. So, I like your city. I appreciate the fact that you rep your city. This ain't hating, man. I just want to whoop ass and take names and come home with $5,000.
Good.
You're watching Chasing Mr. Hamilton.
One more.
You're watching Chasing Mr. Hamilton.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.